into today's trading idea, we have three. Let's start. The first one will be IOI Properties Group. So in light of the recent, stronger price movement in property sector index, we've been highlighting number of property name. I think one of the name that we actually did not highlight earlier will be IOI Properties Group. So one reason why we actually pretty much did not highlight, because the stock is actually undergoes quite what we call that a consolidation. I think since back in February, while most of the other stock is actually pretty much rally further, the like of EcoWorks, Pisutia, and the rest, IOI Property is actually constantly winning this triangle pattern. So the good thing is actually they're building a new baseline right within at RM2 and 8 cent region, and those levels have been tested a number of times, at least 4 times, 3 times for the past few months. So the consolidation has ended following yesterday a solid breakout move on a back of higher trading volume. So this higher trading volume is actually give you stronger indication that the new what we call that interest has started coming in, and the momentum also picking up. So what you seen yesterday, not only a breakout on the price level, but also a breakout in terms of their overall momentum. So as the momentum has started to shift upward, we think there's a room for further upside as the stock set to continue their prior uptrend, with the next technical resistance is actually paired at RM2.43 and RM2.70, while the cut loss will be below RM2.80. In terms of risk to ratio, we think is quite attractive with 7.5 downside risk and 20% upside potential. So we cross-check with the quant score using the momentum style, is actually also high at 7.95. All right. Okay, moving on into second trading idea will be SFOS. So SFO is quite tricky. One of the reasons why we highlight, because we like the idea that the stock recent decline was pretty much kept right in the support at 30.5 cent. So those levels have been tested a number of times, and as you can tell, it's actually more on the consolidation side. So the consolidation since February has ended following yesterday. The breakout move on 26 April. So this breakout move was followed by a classic 1 to 3 pattern, and this 1 to 3 pattern has validated another breakout above the red line here, represented by 88-day moving average. So we believe that the consolidation has ended. Now, if we look on structure of the RSI, we've seen what we call that a range bound movement in terms of overall momentum, follow a steep breakout. So that means the momentum here is actually far more stronger and most likely able to continue to boost the stock higher. So we put our technical resistance at 42 cent and 47.5 cent, while the cut loss will be below 34.5 cent. The risk to ratio is quite attractive at 9.2% downside risk and 25% upside potential. Last but not least will be Tiong Nam Logistics. So one of the reasons why we highlight, because the stock so-called consolidation within is cup handle pattern is actually about to end. So the stock about to stage we call it a breakout move above the pattern neckline, and this actually could pretty much kickstart a new upcycle for the stock. So as per yesterday, trading volume has picking up. The trend also turned positive. RSI continue to point upward. So we think rising momentum could actually prolong the ongoing uptrend and kickstart the breakout move, with the next technical resistance will be at 85 cent and 90 cent and a half. Cut loss will be below 74.5. So risk to ratio also attractive with 5.7% downside risk against 14.5% upside potential.